venture upon and explore the blue part of our planet, we creatures of the land need watercraft of all shapes and sizes. The vessels we build have to be strong and stout to withstand the rigors of the sea. Mankind has been building vessels to suit his needs from all corners of the globe for centuries. The best materials must be used, and the most talented and skilled designers, artisans, and tradesmen are employed to build the vessels. The trade skills of all the different maritime professions have evolved and become very refined over the centuries. It has produced some of the finest artisans and craftspeople in the world. Some of their work is still around for us to enjoy. One of the best ways to teach, practice, and perpetuate these craft skills is by rebuilding, restoring, maintaining, and using the vintage watercraft that we have left. Many of these boats were built by the most diligent, talented craftsmen in the world. To bring your skill level up to their skill level is the first challenge. Hello, my name's Wayne Edel, and I'm the president and one of the founding members of the Maritime Preservation Trust. I started my own business back in 1977, restoring vintage watercraft for friends. These people were passionate about their boats, and I had the opportunity to work alongside of some real masters who had learned from their fathers and grandfathers. This wasn't exactly a feel-good apprenticeship program. Humility, honesty, and quality of work were the first tools you had to learn to sharpen. Many of my clients had grown up in boating. Some of them had their own small businesses in the maritime services. They knew and appreciated quality. If your work wasn't up to their standards, it would have to be done over by somebody else. This is what we teach here at the Maritime Preservation Trust. Your work is your credential and your resume for the next job. Your honesty and your diligence is your reputation. We are a boot camp for maritime professionals, working together to keep our maritime heritage afloat and sailing. This knowledge and these skills have been passed on from generation to generation through hands-on training on the job site. This is the best way to learn, working side by side with the people who have done it before. This is also where you can learn to solve the problems and refine your techniques to make your work just that much better. The Maritime Preservation Trust is not only for the craftsmen. The women have become valuable hands on the job site, and they have raised the bar of excellence for the guys. The ladies have become a very important part of every aspect of our program. There are many occupational facets that make up our maritime community, and there currently is a lack of trained tradespeople that can provide those services. We here at the Maritime Preservation Trust have created a portal, a place, and an avenue into the maritime professions, where craftsmanship can be restored. Here, youth of all ages can gain the knowledge and the hands-on experience to provide the services that are so badly needed in our maritime community. This is one of the few places left where this type of training can still be done. It's been done this way for centuries, and it works. We are professionals building professionals. Building the craftsmanship in an individual benefits us all. The Maritime Preservation Trust is a 501c3 nonprofit community benefit organization. Our success depends on the generosity of those that are willing to invest in the craftsmanship. We sincerely hope you can lend a hand, help support us, and be a part of restoring the craftsmanship.